These kinds of viral AI videos are blowing up on social media, getting millions of views. Cute pets on your palm, giant animal showing love, amazing baby moments, strange noodle dancers, and cool video effects like these. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create all of these. The first video we're going to create is one of those super viral videos of a tiny pet sitting on a human palm. First, we need to generate our image. I'm using Midjourney for this, but since it's a paid app, I'll also show you how to create images for free. Here's the prompt I'm going to use, which you can find in the video description. I'm creating a cute, tiny fantasy creature resting on a human palm. Using words like cute, tiny, and fluffy might give you better results. Here's the Midjourney interface. I'm entering the prompt here and adjusting the aspect ratio to fit into the short video format. Here are the resulting images, and I like this one best, so let's use it for the animation. I'm using Kling AI to bring this little creature to life. If you want to learn more about Kling AI, you can check out my previous video. Now, let's head over to the Kling AI website. Once you're logged in, you'll see this interface. Once I'm in the main interface, I select AI Video option, and then choose the Image to Video option. Then I am uploading my image here. Now I'm entering a simple prompt. Little creature slowly moving its body and head. Now our tiny friend is alive. Look how cool he is. Now let me show you a way to create these images for free without using Midjourney. We can use FreePic AI to create stunning images for free. I'm heading to the FreePic website and logging in with my Google account. Once on the main page, I'll click on Create, set the mode to Flux Fast, and choose the appropriate aspect ratio. Now, I'm entering this prompt to create a cute miniature fantasy tiger resting on a human palm. Now that our beautiful images are ready, I'm downloading this image to animate. Now I'm uploading it to Kling AI and entering this prompt. Little tiger moving his head and looking around, showing a happy emotion. And just like that, our stunning animation is ready. In this section, we're going to dive into how to create these incredibly realistic videos featuring giant animals. Let's start by using FreePic AI to generate our first image. I am entering this prompt to create an image of a little boy hugging a giant owl. Here are the amazing images we just generated. I'm choosing this image to animate. Now I'm uploading it to Kling AI and entering the prompt, boy hugging a giant owl as the owl moves its head and wings to show affection. Note how I used emotions in my video generation prompts. It's important to get a better result. I created these videos using similar steps. You can find the prompts in video description. Now let's see how we can generate viral dancing noodle videos like these. First, I use this prompt to create a dancing girl made out of ramen. All prompts will be on the video description. Here are the images Midjourney gave me, and I think I'll choose this one right here. Now I'm heading to the Kling AI website, selecting AI Video, then choosing the Image to Video option. After uploading our image, I'm entering a simple prompt, such as slowly dancing to the rhythm, and here is the resulting video. If you need more dramatic dancing like this, I recommend you use Vidu AI for animation. Let me show you how. I'm heading over to the Vidu AI website. Here, I'll select the Create option and choose Image to Video. Now I'm uploading this image and using the prompt, Girl Dancing Gracefully. Here's the stunning video. It looks faster and more dramatic compared to what Kling AI generated. Have you seen these AI videos where a baby rides on a giant animal? Let's see how we can create these. For this, I am using Ideogram to generate images, as it can generate realistic images for free. Head over to the Ideogram website and log in using your Google account. Here, I'm selecting the aspect ratio and choosing realistic as the style. Now I'm entering this prompt to generate a little girl riding on a fantasy pink tiger. Now our images are ready. I'm choosing this image to animate. Now I'm uploading the image to Kling AI and typing the prompt. Baby is smiling as he rides on a tiger who's slowly walking forward. And here's our beautiful video. Let's create another video. This time I'm using this prompt to generate an image of a baby riding on a sheep. We'll follow the same process we just did to create the video. Here's the result, and wow, it looks so realistic. Next, let's see how to create these fun cake cutting and crushing videos. I'm going to use these two images that I generated with FreePic AI as I described earlier in the video. First, let's head over to the Pika Labs website and log in using your Google account. Once you're on this page, you'll see a variety of effects to choose from. I'm uploading my image and simply copying the prompt from the Make It Cake effect. Here is our beautiful video. Similarly, let's create a crushing video using the Crush It effect. Here's the resulting video. Just like that, you can explore and try out all these fun effects. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more future content like this.